Okay, today we are going to make some yummy Brussels sprouts. I have my pan that's heated up here. We're going to add some avocado oil in. Just kind of coat it all up. Make sure I spread it around so it covers it. I have cut and rinsed my Brussels sprouts. And we're just going to lay them out in here a little bit. And we're just going to let them sit probably for 5 or 6 minutes. Try to get them face down. And we're just going to let them sit, and then it'll brown them up really good. If you have a cast iron pan, it'll cook a little bit better. You just kind of want to let them sit and brown up and kind of roast. Alright, they've been cooking for about 5 minutes now, so I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing it up here. You can see how it's nice and browned up. Then I'm going to add in some onion. Probably about a 1/4 cup of onion. And I'm also going to add in, if you get the garlic open, some minced garlic. Probably about a teaspoon. I'm just going to stir this up and let those onions cook up a little bit. Been cooking for a couple more minutes now, so I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of sea salt. This is pretty much to taste, so I just want to sprinkle a little bit on there. And a little bit of black pepper. Again, the pepper is to taste, just like the salt. I'm going to mix that up real good here. And I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of brown sugar. Mix it up, and then I'm just going to add a dash of water in here. Stirring that up. And then if you like spicy, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some red pepper over the top. Give it a little bit of a kick. And then I'm going to add in some coconut bacon. Probably have about 1/2 cup here. Stir that up. We just want to get that bacon nice and warm in there. Once that is all warmed through, then we're going to just drizzle some agave over it, and we can serve it. That's all it takes. Top it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese.